Zimbabwe. My name is Amon. I'm one of the people who participate in the prophetic exercise at Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa's church, UFIC Nishtungiza Basilica. I've come to address to the nation on the trending videos, pictures, whatever that is trending, that is saying we do not see and we are fake. Yes, people, they believe what they see and they believe what they know. Actually, at first, I just want to tell you this. I do not represent any church. I do not have any church. And I'm not a pastor. I'm not a prophet. I used to be a pastor. I used to be a prophet. But due to some circumstances and some challenges that I faced, I decided to quit pastoral. The reason that I went to Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa's church was to learn something about prophecy. As you can see, we do not see everything. Kanapane anot anona jesengawe. For me, it was an opportunity to go and see and learn, and also to try out. Some people, they can give me verses, yeah, you're testing the power of God, you do not test your God and stuff. I did not go with the spirit, I go with the mind. If I was able to see everything, you could know what million. But some people, they say whatever they say, but I have several scriptures that I can tell you. Let me read this verse. Numbers 12, verse 6 to 8, he says, "He said, listen to my words. When there is a prophet among you, I, the Lord, reveal myself to them in visions. I speak to them in dreams. But this is not true of my servant Moses. He is faithful in my household. With him I speak to him face to face. Anzi kana pane mprofita pakati penyu, ndinotaura naye muma visions nemuma dreams. Asi kuna Moses wakawa faithful kwandiri, ndinotaura naye face to face." Then ndobva ndadzokera futi pane imwe verse. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 9. "For we know in part and we prophesy in part. We do not prophesy everything." The thing, men of God yesterday, vakataura vakati, ndakangofanawo nemi wakamira apa handioni zvese. You know, in church zvakawanda zvinoitika. There's a lot of competitions and stuff. There's a lot. I'm not saying kuti zvaida kuita competition yoratidza kuti nini ndini ndega. Vamwe vari kukomenda kuti apa pamakanyanya and stuff. But it's not his grace for him to see everything. He doesn't see everything. Even us. Ukacheka ma background edu vamwe, takaprofitwa kare zvikanzi muchaona, and I've been prophesying a lot of people. Zvinhu zvitochinja, vamwe vachitaurawo zvavaitaura kuti this is true and stuff. I'm not saying kuti ndiri kuda kuti kuzvibhiga kuti I prophesy hysteric. No, it's not like that. But I just want to clarify kuti no, there are things that we see and things that we don't see. Sometimes unosendwa nemessage yekuti zvinhu zvakati kune munhu, zvinhu zvirizvo otochinja munhu, and there's a danger that is coming. So do not be deceived by what happened, because at the end of the day, you shall judge me, but at the end of the day, God shall reveal who am I. Because I cannot play with the word of God. There are a lot of people who have been playing with the word of God, who have been mocking God in the Bible, but all of them, they perish. But me spreading the picture saying this is a fake prophet because I didn't see what was in the trouser, it doesn't make me a fake prophet. I cannot say myself I'm a prophet, and I do not want that title. I'm not a prophet. I am not a prophet. I am not a pastor. Eventually, I'm just a man of God who love God. So if there is anyone this guy is not a man of God, just bring the evidence that he is not a man of God. Some they're on my FYP, they are seeing me doing my hustle. I'm a photographer, I do photography. There's no problem on that. I market photography. So Jekuzonzi photographer aenda, you know me as a photographer, but that's not something that is within inside me. Ndine zvirema ndiriwo zvinoitawo kuti ndive neconfidence yekumira kuti no, I can see. Dai taiona tese, taiona zvese, ingadai tisingatambure even mulife medu kufamba. Let me go to another verse. Ndofunga vazhinji vakaseka they are trending stories and stuff, some of fake stories, but I cannot justify myself or defend myself. But one thing that I understand about James 1 verse 2 to 3 says, consider it all pure joy, my brother and sister, when you face trials of many kinds. For know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Yes, it costed me a lot. I've lost family members. I've lost some people whom they were trusting in me so much. But I have no option. All I can say is to sorry to everyone whom I've wronged. Maybe ndakakunyadzisai, ndakaita zvinoshoresa, ndakaita zvinorwadza. But the main point yekuenda kuchurch FIC was to learn and prove a point. We do not see everything. Yes, as we claim we see everything that is hidden, but it's a lesson to the nation. Dai tisina kuattenda that program, dai chinhu ichocho chisina kutoitwa, but nyaya yekutoti takatoisa effort kuti no, we have to go there. Hatina nambotengwa kana kudi. As for myself, I prayed about it and I've dreamed about it. Then I told myself I have to go there. That's why I went to FIC. If I was a fake prophet, I couldn't be standing. If you will check on my Facebook or my TikTok, you can see some of my motivations videos that I did. I used to do my life prophesying. I used to do a lot of things. But just because of this prophecy that you have seen, it doesn't mean that I'm fake. If I am fake, just give me the proof and evidence that I've given you a false prophecy. Some people, they are now talking out of hatred, bitterness, and also just to demotivate me and discourage. But that is not going to stop me spreading the word of God. Because that's the only thing that we have to do. Let me open this verse, 1 Corinthians 12 verse 13. Let me go on verse 12. This says, nokuti zvino tinoona asi ationi zvakanaka, so muchioni asi nenguva iyo tichaona na chiso nechiso. Iye zvino ndinoziva zvisakakwana, asi ndichaziva zvizere, kunyange sezvandinozikanwa zvizere. There's a time that I shall know everything. This one, I can take it as a preparation. God is preparing me for another level and dimension. It might be seen as a downfall, but to where I submit, I've disappointed, but I know I shall stand People they shall going to celebrate one day and say, this man passed through a lot. This is my time to rise and shine, because God has proved something that we do not see everything. Some they will say, I like what Prophet Makandiwa says. He said, you shall know them by their words, by their names, false prophets. Then later on he said, they are not false prophets. Of which, by the time that we went there, we went maybe we shall prophesy by words.